Every single time the Bank of Canada cuts interest rates, the real estate industry loses its mind. And right now, people are just itching for this coming Wednesday's rate announcement, hoping for a cut, any cut, 0.25, zero point 0.5, anything. Just give us something so the headlines will roll. Mortgage brokers will put on their biggest smiles, realtors will jump on TikTok, and everyone will say, housing just became more affordable. But if you are making buying decisions based on their excitement, you're missing the point. They're not excited for you, they're excited for them. Rate cuts only look like they make housing more affordable if you think about real estate purely in terms of monthly payments. Realtors, bankers, the media, they will sell you on this idea. Don't worry about the price, just worry about the payment. And you'd think, huh, yeah, I can afford the payment, so the price must be okay. If I can afford the payment, then it must be a good deal. That's the myth. Because interest rates don't actually make houses more affordable, they just make it easier for you to take on more debt. That extra $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 in buying power that you get from the latest rate cut doesn't actually save you any money. It just lets you bid higher on the same property at the same time that everybody else got the same bump. The banks, the lenders, the mortgage brokers, they're happy because you get to borrow more. Realtors are happy because a few more buyers are going to jump off the sidelines. And the Bank of Canada is happy because they get to look like they're making housing more affordable for Canadians. But really, all they're doing is fueling more debt and more inflation as we kick the can down the road. Because eventually, yes, rate cuts will help spark the next up cycle. The market will eventually go back up. But affordability, it doesn't come from lower interest rates. Affordability comes from lower prices, higher incomes, and more supply. So next week, odds are we are going to get a rate cut. So when you hear everybody celebrating, when you hear all the mortgage brokers and realtors and bankers and everybody celebrating that housing became more affordable, remember, it's not your affordability that went up, it's your credit limit.